Hello, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with our fourth chapter, Angles and Pairs of Angles. In the previous videos, you have learnt about complementary angles. That is, if sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degrees, they are known as complementary angles. Today, you are going to learn supplementary angles. Now, let us recall that you have learnt last year. Here, this is line AB. T is any point on line AB. Now you have to find what kind of angle is angle ATB. Here the arrow is shown. It means it is a straight angle. This is a straight line and you have to name the angle ATB. It is a straight angle. What is its measure? Its measure is 180 degrees. Now supplementary angles. Here line AC is shown in the figure alongside and ray BD, it stands on it. Here from the figure, if you measure it using protractor from the textbook, you will find measure of angle ABD is 125 degrees, whereas measure of angle DBC is 55 degrees. Now add the measures of both the angles, angle ABD plus angle DBC. Here angle ABD is 125, so we will write it here. Angle DBC is of 55 degrees, so we will write it here. Now add 125 and 55, you will find the sum is 180 degrees. That is, if sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degrees, they are known as supplementary angles. Hence we can say angle ABD and angle DBC. Angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Now we will see the solved examples given on page number 27. Observe the angles in the figure below and enter the proper number in the box. Here measure of angle PQR is given 110 degrees, whereas measure of angle MNT is 70 degrees. Now here the first statement is given, measure angle PQR is 110 degrees. So you will write 110 in the box. Measure of angle MNT is 70 degrees. So write 70 in the box. Now we will add the measures of both the angles. That is measure angle PQR plus measure angle MNT. If you add the measures of these two angles, that is 110 and 70, you will get 180 degrees. Here sum of the measures of these two angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can say angle PQR and angle MNT are supplementary angles. Children, in this example, again these two angles are not adjacent. In the previous examples, the given two angles are adjacent. So, for any two angles to be supplementary, it is not necessary they should be adjacent or not. Now, next example. Find the measure of supplement of an angle of 135 degrees. Children, already you have learned how to find the complementary angles. Here we are going to learn how to find supplementary angles. Here it means first we will write the given part, that is given angle is 135 degrees. We will consider the supplement of given angle by any alphabet. Here it is taken as P degrees. Now we will write the property, sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degrees. So from there we will get the equation 135 plus P is equal to 180. Now in this equation you will see you have to find the value of the variable, that is P. Here P is a variable. Here 135 is in addition with P. So we will subtract 135 from both the sides. Here this 135 will get cancelled with this 135. Now 180 minus 135 is 45. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 135 degrees is 45 degrees. We have to do the same procedure as we have done in complementary angles. Now next solved example. A plus 30 degrees and 2A degrees are the measures of two supplementary angles. What is the measure of each angle? Here these are the two angles. So as this is the solved example given in textbook, given part is not written, but in your copy you have to write the given part to find out part everything. Here a plus 30 plus 2a. These are the two angles. As both the angles are supplementary, their sum is 180 degrees. So here you will get the equation like this. Now add the like terms. A and 2a are like terms. 1a plus 2a is 3a. And this 30 is in addition. So on the other side it will come in subtraction. Now 3a is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150. Now we will divide both the sides by 3. So here 3a divided by 3 is a, 150 divided by 3 is 50. Now you got the value of a. Now to get these two angles, we will put the value of a as 50 in both the expressions. In first expression, a plus 30, that is 50 plus 30 is 80 degrees will be the first angle, and the second one is 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 50 is 100 degrees. Measures of the angles are 80 degrees and 100 degrees. Now we will start with practice set 17. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. The first one is 15 degrees. Here we will repeat the same procedure as we did in complementary angles. First write the given angle, then let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Now we will write the property. Sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180. Now we will get the equation given angle plus measure of its supplement is equal to 180. Therefore 15 plus x is equal to 180. Now we have to subtract 15 from the right hand side because it is in addition in left hand side. Now 180 minus 15 is 165. Hence the measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 15 degree is 165 degrees. Now example number 2, 85 degrees. Again given angle is 185 degrees. We will consider, let the measure of supplementary angle be x degrees. Now we will write the property. Sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. We will get the equation 85 plus x is equal to 180. Now here we will subtract this 85 in from 180 because here 85 is in addition. So you will get x is equal to 180 minus 85. On subtraction you will get x is equal to 95 degrees. So write the last answer. The measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 85 degrees is 95 degrees. Now example number 3, 120 degrees. Again write the given part, that is given angle is 120 degrees. Then consider the measure of supplementary angle be x degrees. Then write the property. Sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Now you will get the equation 120 plus x is equal to 180. Now shift 120 in right hand side. So you will get x is equal to 180 minus 120. So x is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore write the last answer. The measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 120 degrees is 60 degrees. Example number 4, 37 degrees. We will write the given part first. Given angle is of 37 degrees. Now we will write, let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degrees. Then we will write the property. Sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Using this property, we will get the equation 37 plus x is 180. Now 37 is in addition. So on the other side it will come in subtraction. X is equal to 180 minus 37. When you subtract 37 from 180, you will get 143. Now write the last answer. The measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 37 degrees is 143 degrees. Now example number 5, 108 degree. Now write the given part first. Given angle is 108 degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degrees. Now we will write the property. The sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Using this property, we will get the equation 108 plus x is equal to 180. Now 108 will come in right hand side. We will subtract it from 180. You will get x is equal to 72 degrees. Now write the answer. The measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 108 degree is 72 degrees. Now example number 6. 0 degree. Write the given part. Given angle is 0 degrees. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x. Now write the property. The sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Again using the property, we will get the equation 0 plus x is equal to 180. Now bring 0 in right hand side. So you will get x is equal to 180 minus 0, that is 180 degrees. Now write the last answer. The measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 0 degree is 180 degrees. Now example number 7, A degrees. Children, you have already solved this type of example in practice set 16. There we have found the complementary angle for the given angle. Now we will write again, given angle is A degree. We will consider let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degrees. Then write the property, sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Now here we will get the equation A plus x is equal to 180. Now here you have to find the value of x, as A is the given angle. So we will shift A in the right hand side. You will get x is equal to 180 minus A. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of measure A degree is 180 minus A degrees.